you don't need an education to survive. You heard people say that before? You ain't got to go to college. Well, you don't, but you need an education. Because if somebody gives you a contract to sign, how you gonna know what you signing if you don't know how to read? Which is why, as Dr. Torrence was saying earlier, how we spend our time is important, right?
Push it in that way. And nothing is going to be easy, but if you see something that works, you keep on pushing it, and now it eventually takes its time, and then it is in everyone's household. Like I'm in 2 hotels, I'm in the hospitals now, off of an ideal that came to my head, and then to physically be able to touch it. You feel me?
So you guys are in a leadership program. You're going to be leaders, and that's called upon you to do. So making sure you don't forget about your communities, making sure you come back and talk to people about their economic value, teach them the skills that you know, the secrets that you've learned. It's extremely important, right? So that's going to be something you should take with you at all times. Does that sound like a fair deal? Like, it makes sense? Cool.
We're all creating a brand, even when we don't realize it, because we're always being viewed, we're always being studied, we're always under observation. So very good, very good. Thank you. Okay, thank you for that round of applause. Okay, this has been a really, really great workshop. And it doesn't, like I'm gonna say it for the last time, the numbers doesn't matter. Those who are supposed to be here were here. And those who were here will not walk out the door the same as when they walked in.